Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sylvania to Holland to White House, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Perrysburg, Oregon, Sylvania, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, Genoa, Holland, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Walbridge, Millbury, Clay Center, Harborview, Reno Beach, Williston, Bono, and Stony Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, Ottawa, and Wood. A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, north central Wood County in northwestern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Why are you not going off?
The following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, north central Wood County in northwestern Ohio, until 5.
Why is that going to show?
At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Toledo, Oregon, Rossford, Northwood, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Harborview, Reno Beach, and Bono. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering
Hey,
flooded
come
roads.
on, EA.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood.